Kullu metashe, Santa Pema metabe, Kullu metashe, Kashera yakana metabe, Otumfour Nana she, Trimya mede,
So just enter. Yeah. Okay. Next room on your left. Okay, alright. Yeah, come in. Yes, please come in. Oh, please come in. Yeah, please, have a seat. Feel free, yeah? Should I offer you water or drink?
Please, I'm okay.
Okay. So, what's up?
First of all, I want to apologize to the way I talked to you the other time we met.
It's fine.
I'm under a lot of pressure. I wasn't in my right frame of mind. In fact, I'm getting demented. So sometimes I act out of the book.
It's fine.
I'm very sorry.
I got your pain. Come on.
To have talked that rashly to you.
It's fine. Don't worry. I'm okay. I understand you perfectly, so it's cool. So, what's up? Talk to me. You said you wanted to discuss something about virus to me, so.
Yes, I was in a relationship with Virus.
What?
Yes. That boy is a real scoundrel. The way that boy sweet talked me, that he was a royal and he was going to give me a parcel of land in the heart of Kumasi, and that the land was worth millions of cedis. But because he had a relationship with me, the least was for me to pay some sort of goodwill to him. So I ended up giving him 40,000 cedis, like I was claiming the other time. And that money is not even my money.
You dated him and gave him 40,000.
He's a sweet talker. You don't know that boy. The way he went about things, nothing would have compelled me to disbelieve him.
Wow.
It's also done nobody.
Maybe I cool.
I know myself very. I'm an interest.
When you start, and I'm
like cool persons.
I'm a cool person.
Okay. Now, we're ringing me here on the wall.
Let me there, me. Remember the chair.
Oh, I'm another show. Hey, so mommy, it's very beautiful.
Thank you.
Let me see. It's a baby. I wish I said maybe on the street and maybe in a restaurant. It's not nice. So when you tell me, baby, hotel me done. Yeah. So I wish you would be able. You're nice at me. I wish you show when things are friends here. Or so be a home with you and a young girl.
Being a set, men lesbian. Oh, men lesbian. To meet me in the watching cool.
Oh, I don't know. Can't some money me, sir. But you're meant to some mind to that.
Okay.
The power some kick. And I say, I don't 4 pack, and I'll be our power some lecture baby out. So I buy a Michelle was treated, Michelle will be here. But my power sometimes I be baby a better. Then be an efficient.
I'm sorry, me very sorry.
Oh, yeah, enough. I don't understand you show too.
Oh, won't mean your bed and continue just like that.
We are friends.
Oh, okay.
And it's like we do come singing now, like me, shut a yard of phobia. And I mean, who no nature the way our lives was it here.
Oh, age is nothing but a number, You might see me as being old, but I'm very young at that.
Oh.
Yes, I'm very adventurous.
You're heavy though. You're heavy.
So, I ended up giving him 40,000 of my uncle's money. I ran my uncle's pharmacy shop. So my uncle is getting ready to come back to Ghana. And the way you said the other time that you wouldn't even mind giving me 40,000, I felt I had to come and plead with you to at least give me half of the money, like 20,000.
Because of what I said.
Yes, I took you.
But I haven't gotten my money from him.
So are you telling me there's no extra cash anywhere?
You see, I'm going to town, eh? So I think I've gotten your number, so I'll call you when I'm back. Okay.
Masa, Pimpi was in a pay.
What do you mean?
And yet you are going to town and NBA. Obe mommy and now mommy.
No, are you ordering me or something?
I'm one direct person.
I said
I want to know whether you can render any help to me or not.
Please.
It's a yes or no. White is white, black is black. There is no grey in between.
Relax, okay?
The way I'm hyper.
No, please, I'm not nice. I'm not your boyfriend, so you need to relax when you're talking to me. Calm down. I said I'm going to town, and I'll call you back when I'm back. Please.
Boys are mobile. Some will laugh when seeing Tina Mimpeno. I didn't to me. I don't go. And I said, if 40,000 is nothing, I know to me you be mammy.
Go to Virus.
I mean, Penmuta send me. What coming to my jet 700,000 40,000.
Go and take it from Virus. You can't talk to me anyhow. Come on, please. I'm not a kid, man.
Idiotic fellow.
Just listen to yourself.
Twat.
Me twat. Excuse me. Please walk out.
Netwit.
Please walk out.
I said, one or two be on my fit.
Okay.
Until I'm a man.
What am I?
And look at the son of Mr. Grammy.
Oh, Matty. Remember.
I don't have my ferry.
Oh, tell me why.
I saw no money. You're not all.
Yeah, boy.
I'm a restaurant, they say, I'll make the meals.
So I'm happy.
Banguke.
So they made the chip, my bunny. Why?
Oh, only say, you'll be a bonny be an imitation. Oh, you want to go to all of a sudden. My powers and
oh, okay.
Not try grass and my shop, piano, and my crop.
Oh, my seminars.
What's as I say?
But your buonas at
Pabwana Tadina.
I wanted 8 at I used 12.
Wow. I'm about the yard, yes, so let me ask him to be a machine.
Oh, yeah.
When I show an everything.
Maybe be a mom. Maybe be a mom.
I'm talking the last 5 minutes and then I'm a mess for your coin. Nice stuff, yes, and then I have a matches in the next 5 minutes. I'm a mess for your coin.
It's you.
Oh, in the class, say yes, sir.
I decided it's
In the class, say yes, sir.
Hello, uncle. My friend, I won't fa. And say what jammy. I have really been a disappointment to you. But uncle, where you force my job? Circumstances beyond my control. I'm Robessi, dear Juma. Up till this time, only say, Messi, I'm Robes Nagistic. Says, Obana Bechimi Tum Korana, in yes, a canny mouth. Says, I may take a name, Manuel Droka Mekangu. Ya made your cry because of so Bechimint is a matoba, Menana, Mintimin coffee. Blood is thicker than water, uncle. I know I've been a huge disappointment to you. That's all, uncle. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. it should take my whole lifetime to make amends, I am ready to do it. Please give me a second chance. I have learnt my lesson. Uncle, please don't let the police arrest me. Don't let the police arrest me.
Tembelewa. Uti no no uti nana.
Dabi nyono
Anyono.
Ah. Say no okọ hwe boys bi.
Sa.
Tembelewa.
No na mi no.
Nani o.
Na mi no.
Na mi ni obi o.
Ne di no ti ni be tembelewa.
Ope kakra ma mu we so ta mi boys ni mo meje no.
O yesi na ntweti no de ba ho.
O bo ami.
Yesi na ntweti. Hwe.
Na ntweti do o mo de o
mo.
Tembelewa pa. O mo no mo muro se na o mo no mo branji o mo ni di.
Eni asem. Se no mo na jolofo ho.
Ndi o mo no na ntweti no ni joro mo. Tembelewa pa. No chire.
Asemu. Isi
asemu ye hu hia pa.
Okay, asa.
Bed. Wiase no. Nse no.
Enko nche na. Enko fo kwan ni.
Blaha.
Enko fo kwan.
Blaha. Sa. O de fa na nye ya.
Fa di.
Eso ko bi ansa.
Da bi ba ko di ka ko di.
Se bi ni kra ya fa host na ho na amoa.
Ni ho amoa.
Se papa ji na o se ye the virus bi na kono ha kwa. Se na ye hu virus. He says so virus was not my. And they say ye hu ni na ye nya kakra so ase ho. Ye so ye nkoba na ye di bawade. Papa ji no so no say ne ye ko virus ye ko ka virus asem na no me ye kakra. Esi wo hu say ye hu
fa yes and ye no kre.
Ndi say anya di agu kwa. Ndi say ye nya de ne nya kakra firi ayo. Papa ji o.
Sisi ya no. Unu bi. Ye mfa adwumi mra. Ye ka se bia ye nkono ka se firi ayale.
Fira yale.
Mama ni si eyale.
Ana so no mama no ni case bia no.
Oh, se betumi akọ ne ende betumi akọ. E ka se bia ne pressure na ba. Sisi e kọ 98 degrees Celsius.
Akọ say
98 degrees Celsius.
Sa na akọ abeka kire.
Se ne pressure se e kọ soro. Times.
Na befa wo.
E befa. Ene e ka so mi ni mre. Mi ni agro.
Na ne dia hwe wo ko pesca o ne ska sam ye ko dia agro ska ho. Ye kwa no me J.
Yes.
Isi ara wo sempa
atu
ye no. Ye ko ha dan. Oh mama na je fie. Ye ne na busua ni bia. Se ni se ne se se ne wofa se ne bawo se ne
nana
se hwan ye bia. Afie ne mama na jate wonum sae e betera kom. Oh
hey. Listen, edwane ehye ne no odi wufu. Edwane ne omremre to mamem nya wo nya opubai.
Afi pressa na kuma si ebo no. Yesu ni ebusia ni bia ne ya ko na mane. DJ, edu da uma. Koto je gufom.
Sa.
Ensa so dai dey. Ensa yem.
Oh, obejatum. Ha o si kasam kamera. Me wa kwa.
Ni emi ni na wo je ho na me je ho.
Ai menya ho.
Me se ye ko yi se na beja kakra
fo.
Ko se ya you. Yenya iske be bia. Virus nsu hu ba bi okose pa.
Ah, ye ko hwe ne kwa bi ka se bia wo hya, ye ko che no.
Ye kwa. Se me meni na me keka na wo je ho.
Na me katons no akire.
Na katons. Wo so ko ka wo dia na so me di bi ye dey.
Ka ho. Sanity.
Asemu ya ye kan. Na baba be shima nka be boa wo.
Ye be boa.
No way.
Se ono so. Ono. Ese adwuma na ma me adwuma na se kwa na ka ye me ye ba ko ye cha adwuma. Ene ono afa ho, ene okoye.
Ma me frɛ no.
Frɛ no. Sa boy ni bradi o.
Ye nya na ye plan se. Ye ni kapre. Ya plan ni nya adwuma na ye koye. On ko afa akire.
On ko afa akire koye.
Ade life no. Ma me frɛ no.
Se atro na metiti mana. Ena mo ye mpanifo. Pani uni sense. Sensible.
Please come. Enter. Oh.
Oh,
that's my burger for you.
You say about them to
We love you. You have a lovely dada.
Oh, it's fine.
Lovely family.
Oh yeah, I say that's in the Indian
Babs,
That's American living. We don't shake in the US.
in Ghana, in our culture,
No,
we
you
shake
show
people's
us.
hands.
In America, you do.
it's the same thing.
Like this.
Oh, near crying. I said, Rasta.
Asman.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, bad man. To Bonami and check a cat. And
You look like I visited Virginia Zoo last. I think
Chimpanzee, you get the name.
No.
It is chimpanzee.
There was this animal in the zoo called not Ade. No.
Ade is
monkey, right?
Ade is
what you say, I do it for them.